Hello everybody, welcome back to another video of the Transit Portals official channel. Now you might be wondering why I'm not actually posting any important stuff. I just want to make this kind of like a gaming channel, I don't know why. But anyways, we're going to go through chapters, chapter 1 all the way to chapter 9, which is test chamber 17. But this video will be split into 3 parts, with this first video being chapter 1, 2, and 3. So let's start. We first wake up in the relaxation vault in Aperture Science, and well, I guess we have to wait a minute. And we got a board, a toilet. This is appreciated. Okay, that's actually sounds kind of weird. It's also this cool. It's also this radio. Hey, I'm really wondering why it's green. But it has a green light. Well, when you beat Portal, there are actually radios in every chamber. They start with a red light. You then have to take the radio to a specific spot for it to turn, for the light to turn green. And that what happens. But also, there's actually a way to soft lock in this chamber. There's actually a way to soft lock. If you don't know what soft lock means, and if you're a kid and you don't know what soft lock means, it means you get stuck. You're, stuck. You can make yourself stuck by taking this board and this radio. Put them down. You see that little line? You then put this down. And then we go for this door. See, it's under lots of immense stress, and it's now out. Now here we have the very first chamber, the simplest puzzle. Cube, on button, activate. The simplest puzzle ever. And well, yeah, it's just the simplest puzzle ever. Who's looking forward to it? We go for the fiddler and we go into level 1, or chamber 1. It's just a scholar. Now we finish the chamber. And now the next chamber. Okay, this is where it kind of gets a little fun. Now this game is Portal, and you might be thinking, Chris, where are the portals? Where are the fucking portals? Well, in this chamber 2, we acquire the portal gun. Now, as you can see, these little icons, they're kind of useless, I don't know why. But now, we get portals! Oh shoot, that almost hit me. Oh, I guess we just portal here, portal there. Then we just continue. We can't fire blue. We can only fire blue portals. Not orange portals. We got orange portals in chapter 4. In chapter 4. We are in chapter 3. Here we are in chamber 3. Here, go for that, and we get over here. I like the textures, like they made this game 3D. I kind of like how they actually did it. Go. Radio. Now, I saw this one clip where if you put a cube around somewhere about like this, and then just push it. Okay, it didn't work. I guess they updated it. They updated the game. And hey, look, now we have now we have metal surfaces that we can't place blue portals on. There's portals on these. We can only place them on them. Well, we can only place them. Now we can only place portals on white surfaces. Around the metal surfaces, we can't place portals on. Welcome to Chamber 5. And this one actually has the most infamous puzzle. Now, this is actually a really cool puzzle. Like 2 cubes. But it actually has a really cool soft look. See? Both cubes down. From here. Take this cube and try to. I can't get it through. I'll try doing something like this. Okay, there's actually this thing called command at the console. So I'm just gonna turn on sheets and just show you the soft lock since I can't do it. Okay, here we go. Cube up here. Cube up here. So we put it from here, and then connect them. Oh wait, this is not like. Oh, I figured out. This is not like a registered cube. It's not like a mat funnel cube. You're not a good person. You know that, right? There's actually another way to kind of soft lock. Kind of tricky. But once you get it, it's kind of cool. Holy, that was actually. Now, as you saw in the last picture, this didn't go well. Now we take cubes. We take them and put them over here to be emancipated or filled or gone, whatever it's called. Anyways, that was chamber 5. Now we come to the last 3 chambers. And the last 3 chambers are in chapter or in the game, so this will just be easy. I just gotta not them all hard, you know. There is actually kind of another way to beat the level. This, which is kind of cool, if you ask me. Now be up to the last two chambers of this video slash chapter. Now I might be wrong, but this is just my channel, okay? I can do whatever I want. Anyways, that goes from there. You take this platform to get to the elevator, and before, you kind of see this little gap, but okay, you can't really kind of see it, but you can actually see it's kind of like blue line. That feels like kind of futuristic, you know. Anyways, here's the last chamber of the video. Part 2 will be about well, the next 3 chapters, and then the escape sequence. And then we'll go for the last 2 chapters. And since I already showed you the boss fight, I didn't show you anything else. And here we are at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you liked the time here. I'll save this game, and hopefully you loved it. I know I did. And hope you loved it. Hope you liked the video. Bye. Have a good time. And remember, stay good.